All right, my ceiling has 2 air vents, 4 can lights, and 2 fire suppression, I guess, heads concealed. And he's worried about painting with those. I guess this is a question that would be good for me painting or for the kit. So air vents, not a problem. Just paint. If you're using the kit, just put the stencil on and just paint the holes just like you normally would. And when you get to the vent, just put them on there in the same spot. Just make sure that you have them on there. And if once you take the stencil down, if you see that it didn't really go on there very good because they're metal, sometimes it's harder to get the paint on that. Just go back and put a few on there. Don't overdo it. Can lights. All right, some can lights, they're on your ceiling and they have a flat diffuser on it. You can put a few stars on there. Don't overdo it. And again, if you have your stencil up there, your stencil guide, just put the stars on there like you normally would the ceiling. And in the dark, when the stars are charged up, those are going to disappear. You're not going to see those. The concealed fire suppression heads, I guess they're concealed. You can, I don't think they're going to be very big, so you could, if they hang down, put a few stars on the base. Don't worry about the head where the sprinkler is. And if they're not that big, then don't worry about them. Something else on the can light. In other can lights, you actually have a trim that goes up inside. You're not going to be able to paint those with the paper up there. So once you take those down, go back to those can lights, dip your tool in there, and paint maybe four stars. That's it. 4 or 5, and that's gonna make it disappear when the lights are out. Even if you don't paint on the light, you paint the trim around it, your mind is going to fill in the stars. So it's going to be like that's not even there.